Hi, this is Tutor P, and this is lesson 653. The lesson today is the difference between a specialist in something and a specialist on something. So this is a request video, and I could see how this could be, very confusing, especially for ESL students. All right, let's continue. So I'm going to do a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. If we say that someone is a specialist, all right, here's a specialist by itself. It means one has a lot of training, experience, and education, which makes them an expert on a particular subject. All right, let's continue. If a person says someone is a specialist in something, it implies he or she is presently working in a particular field that is mentioned. So right now, at this time, he's working in this field. He has some job or project in this field. So he or she would be working for a company or on a project in that field at this time. All right, let's continue. And we got two examples here. He is a specialist in microbiology and is working on several projects. Sure. Number two, that lawyer is a specialist in these types of law cases and is presently working on a number of them right now. So definitely at the moment they're working in it. All right. Let's continue. If someone says that one is a specialist on a subject, it means he or she has a lot of knowledge about that field. But it does not necessarily imply one is working in that field at present, at that time. We got two examples here. Bob is a specialist on this issue and wrote several books about it. So obviously he had a lot of knowledge. He had enough knowledge to write books about it. Maybe at one time he did work in the field, but at this time, not necessarily. We don't know. Maybe after his books he stopped, or maybe he stopped to write the book. So he may not have a job in this field at this moment. Let's continue. We got a second one. That political pundit is a specialist on this matter because she worked in the previous administration. So when a new administration, she was probably let go. So she doesn't have that job in the government anymore. She is sometimes invited on this network to give her opinion. Yeah, so this happens a lot. A lot of times when people work for the government, and then, especially if the party changes, they change all the people, in the administration. And a lot of those people actually end up going to news networks, or they're often invited on them in order to analyze a situation or give their opinion on it. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.